Hello girls. Do you ever wonder why some girls always appear so full of energy, glowing and confident? Honestly, health and fitness are not about starving yourself to the point of death or working out for hours at the gym. It's about making simple habits that make you feel amazing from the inside and out. Today, I'm going to share the secrets on how any girls can have a strong, balanced, and happy life. So stay with me because once we are finished with this video, you have a clear idea of how to glow up from the inside out. Let me tell a little story. 1 year ago, I was perpetually tired, not eating meals, and living on fast food and soda. My skin was terrible and I didn't care. One day, I looked at myself and thought, enough is enough. I started with small changes like drinking extra water, eating more fruits and vegetables, and exercising daily. My energy level went up and I was happier. And I finally started feeling good about myself in my own skin. So now, I want to share with you those very steps. Let's start with nutrition. The food you eat literally energizes your body. Number 1. Eat nutritious meals of proteins, carbohydrates, and good fat. They supply you with energy and keep you full for long. Second, have at least 8 glasses of water every day. Water is crucial for weight reduction, skin health, and enhanced metabolism. Third, attempt to have less processed food and no junk food as much as possible. It steals away your energy and may ruin your fitness routine. Fourth, load your plate with veggies and fruits. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber for a robust immune system. Fifth, swap sweet beverages like soda and energy drinks. Drink green tea or flavored water for a health boost. Girls, you don't need to go to the gym to be in shape. Just 20 to 30 minutes of exercise a day can make a big difference. Be a rebel and try yoga, Pilates, dance exercise, or even HIIT training. Walking, jogging, or even exercising at home can shape your body and make you feel mentally healthy. Tip: perfection is not as valuable as consistency. Keep your body moving daily in a manner you enjoy. Health is more than food and exercise. It's more about your lifestyle. Sleep properly at least 7 to 8 hours every night. Be kind to yourself to reduce stress and promote healthy mental health. Stay positive and keep in mind, a healthy body starts with a healthy mind. Now it's your turn. Of these healthy habits, which one will you start today? Will you be drinking more water, eating more fruits and vegetables, or starting a new exercise plan? Leave your response in the comments. I enjoy hearing from you. And if you enjoy these tips, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your best friends so we can all have our healthier self together. Stay strong, stay confident, and remember, you deserve to feel amazing in your own body. See you in the next video.